A gripping opening that reframes internal organs as unseen warriors working relentlessly every second. This section shocks the audience into awareness, connecting the invisible anatomy of the body to the invisible habits, thoughts, and systems shaping their lives. The goal is to awaken urgency, gratitude, and responsibility for what is happening beneath a deep dive into how internal organs operate as systems, not emotions, and how this mirrors success, discipline, and resilience. This section draws powerful parallels between physiology and mindset, teaching the audience that consistency beats motivation and internal alignment beats external noise, explores how emotional regulation, mental detoxification, and conscious breathing are the internal organs of high performance. Practical strategies are introduced to help the audience regulate stress, remove toxic habits, and reclaim control, uses the body's recycling processes to show how setbacks, trauma, and failure can be repurposed into fuel for growth. Psychological reframing techniques are embedded to help the audience transform adversity into strength, a hard-hitting contrast between people who neglect their inner systems and those who master them. This section exposes the real reason burnout, anxiety, and stagnation happen, and how to prevent them through internal discipline, a commanding conclusion that demands action. The audience is challenged to honor, protect, and optimize their internal systems physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually starting. Right now, as you sit here listening, there is a miracle happening inside you. No applause, no recognition, no rest. Your heart is contracting and releasing with relentless precision. Your lungs are pulling life from the air and handing it to your blood. Your liver is filtering toxins you didn't even know you consumed. Your kidneys are cleaning your internal ocean drop by drop. Not because you asked them to, not because you motivated them, but because that is their purpose. They don't wait for permission. They don't negotiate with comfort. They don't quit when it gets hard. They simply work, and that truth should shake you. Because while you're scrolling, hesitating, doubting, postponing your dreams for someday, there is a silent army inside you executing perfection every second. These organs don't get inspired. They don't feel confident. They don't need reassurance. They are systems. And systems are what separate survival from collapse, greatness from regret. Here's the uncomfortable reality. Most people are alive on the outside, but failing on the inside. Not medically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically. They look functional, but their internal systems are neglected. Their thoughts are toxic. Their habits are inflamed. Their emotional circulation is blocked. And just like the body, when one internal organ is ignored long enough, everything else eventually pays the price. The body doesn't collapse loudly. It collapses quietly, slowly, invisibly, until one day it can't compensate anymore, and so do lives. You don't lose your purpose overnight. You don't lose discipline in a single moment. You don't wake up one day disconnected, burnt out, or unfulfilled. It happens the same way organ failure happens, through neglect, imbalance, and silence, through ignoring the small signals, through assuming you'll fix it later. But later is a lie your comfort tells you. Think about this. Your heart will beat over 100,000 times today. If it decided to take a break because it didn't feel like it, you'd be gone. If your lungs waited until conditions were perfect, you'd suffocate. If your liver said, "I've done enough," toxins would flood your system. The body understands something the mind often forgets. Consistency is survival, and excellence is not loud. It's loyal. Your internal organs recycle constantly. Old cells are broken down, waste is removed, energy is redirected, nothing is wasted, nothing is emotional, everything has intention. And yet, as human beings, we hoard mental trash, emotional toxins, and destructive habits like they're souvenirs. We hold on to resentment. We replay failure. We breathe shallow. We live disconnected from the machinery that keeps us alive. The tragedy isn't ignorance. The tragedy is indifference. Because once you truly see how your body operates, excuses lose their power. You realize that discipline isn't punishment. It's respect. Routine isn't boring. It's life-giving. Structure isn't limitation. It's freedom. Your body is not chaotic. It is organized brilliance. And if you modeled your life the way your internal organs operate, your results would be unrecognizable. You'd stop waiting for motivation and start building systems. You'd stop chasing intensity and start honoring rhythm. You'd stop asking, how do I feel today? And start asking, what must be done to keep the system alive? The body doesn't care about your mood, and neither does success. Every organ understands its role. There is no confusion, no competition, no comparison. The heart doesn't envy the brain. The lungs don't resent the liver. They work in cooperation, not ego. And that alone is a lesson most people never learn. You don't need more talent. You need internal alignment. You don't need louder goals. You need quieter discipline. You don't need to escape your body. You need to listen to it, because inside you is proof that excellence is possible without applause, that growth can be invisible, that greatness can be built silently over time. Your internal organs are showing you the blueprint every second. The question is no longer whether you're capable. The question is whether you're finally ready to respect the system that has never once given